Everyone is asking the same question. Is the AI bubble bursting? The answer isn't as simple as you might think, because two different things are happening simultaneously, and you can't answer this question without separating them. First, sentiment is currently expensive at a level seen only once. That single period was the dot-com bubble of 2000. The time when the internet was just beginning, everyone was saying this will change everything. But most companies didn't have a real revenue model. The current picture is very similar in price perspective. Second, $740 billion is going to be spent on AI this year, 69% more than last year. That's an incredibly large number, but big spending doesn't automatically mean big profits. It hasn't yet been proven that this money will actually pay off. It's just a gamble, not a reality yet. Sounds bad, right? Prices are at historical highs. Spending is huge. No proof. But something interesting happened last week, and it showed us what's really important. Chip manufacturers took a tough stance that week, doubting whether their investments would pay off. But on the very same day, in a date where Microsoft moved in the complete opposite direction, a record was broken, adding $450 billion to the company's fortune in a single day. The reason is simple. With the figures it released that week, Microsoft proved that the money it spent on AI was actually turning a profit. Revenue from cloud services exceeded $100 billion annually for the first time. So they could say not only we're spending, but also we're earning. Other records haven't been shown yet. And this is where the real problem arises. Bubbles don't always burst suddenly. The market now distinguishes only one thing: who is truly winning and who is just fading away and hoping. The same thing happened in 2000. The bubble burst, and the vast majority of those at the time disappeared. We don't even know their names anymore. But a few companies with real revenue, like Amazon, survived. They didn't just survive. They became one of the world's most valuable companies in the following 20 years. So history actually gives us a clear lesson. The bursting of a bubble doesn't mean the end of everything. The moment of bursting is the moment that separates the real from the fake. The losers are completely wiped out, while the winners emerge even stronger. Therefore, the question to ask today is not, is there a bubble? The correct question is the company you are following truly winning, or is it simply dying? Whichever of these two is the answer, the future of that company will be shaped accordingly.